Hello, in this short video, we're going to be looking at how you can track your leads on your page. If you are using just a single landing page, and on that page, that is where you have, that is, you're not going to be having a thank you page where you place your pixel and mark as your lead capture pixel. That is your lead event capture pixel. Instead you're using a single landing page, especially if you're using the landing page and it leads to WhatsApp. All right. So we're going to be looking at how you can track that without having issues, and it will show on your dashboard that indeed you got a lead. So you'll need just one plugin apart from your page builder plugin, and that plugin is your usual Pixelcut plugin. Now, of course, your Pixelcut plugin is easy to set up. Okay, your Pixelcut plugin is easy to set up. You come here. You come to the Add Pixel button here. You click on Add Pixel. It's on it for the free version of this plugin. You can only add one pixel ID. So you click on Add Pixel. Then you select your pixel type. Then you add your pixel ID. All right. So now let's go back to tracking your pixel. Let's go back to tracking your event, okay? Your lead capture event. So I'm going to be using a number of two page builders for this particular video. I'm going to show you how to track two page builders. Okay, so the first one is going to be your Thrive Architect page builder. I'm looking for a particular page we can use. Okay, let's look at this page here now. This page was built with Thrive Architect, so let's look at this page. So what we need to do is we come to this page, we come to this button, all right? This is the button. Then we look for the part that says HTML attributes, okay? We go to HTML attributes of this particular button. Then we look for the place that says ID. Look for the place that says ID. So we now enter. Now you can decide what you want to use as your ID, but since what is on this button is proceed to register, we can use proceed to register as our ID. Okay, so proceed to register, that is proceed to register as our ID for this particular button. So you save. And the interesting thing about this particular approach is that it is very simple. So you come to Pixelcut. You go to Add Facebook Event. Then you click what you want to track. So we're not tracking pages, we are tracking elements. That is the button. The button is what we are tracking. So you will now come here, you title your button as, you put the ID of that button. Remember, it is proceed to register. Okay, proceed to register. Then you select lead. Then you save. That is all. So whenever anybody clicks any button on your page, on your website, that has this proceed to register, because this one is not linked to any particular page. Unlike this one, unlike this event here is linked to a page. You can include as many pages as possible. All right. But now we are not linking it to a page. We are linking it to a particular element. All right. So whenever anybody clicks on any button with this particular ID, it will be registered as, to be captured as a lead event on your Facebook dashboard, so long as that particular page is what you are running you're running traffic to at that particular point in time. So you do that for, this one is for Thrive Architect. Then you go to, for Elementor, is literally the same thing. All you need to do is, let me take a look at this page and see. All right, this is what we have here. We have this button here. So if this is a button I want to target, let's see if we can target the button that is already connected to a form. All right, but if it is not connected to a form, we'll try something else. So we come here and we do edit with Elementor. So let's close this one since we're done with it. And whether it has a form or not, what you are targeting is the button. All right, so we have, let's see, actions, additional actions. Let's see. Okay, you have your buttons here. So let's see if your button can be given an ID. Left. Okay, let's go to advanced and see. Layout, custom CSS. Okay, so we're not okay. Let's look at attributes. What I'm looking for is not here. But so even if it is not here, for the purpose of our demonstration here, let me reduce the size. Purpose of our demonstration here, I'm going to add a button to this one. Let me add the button element, okay? This is a complex landing page, right? So, okay, so let's add this landing page. Sorry, let's add this button element here. So this is the button element we are going to be tracking. So now you can see this is what I was looking for, button ID. So for the button ID, you can give it a name also. You can give it register here as the ID. Register here as the ID. Okay, so register here as the ID. That is for this particular button. So you are not using a link. What I mean by you are not using a link, you are not tracking the link. The link the button is linking to. Alright? Or rather, the link the button will open to when you click on it. That is not what you're tracking. You're tracking the ID, the identity of the button. So you can put your link here, of course. That is the button, your WhatsApp DM, could be your WhatsApp DM, could be your WhatsApp group link, could be your WhatsApp community link, or WhatsApp channel link, or whatever it is. So you put it here, then you publish, all right? You publish. Again, you come back to let's restore this one. Again, you come back to Pixelcat. Come back to Pixelcat. You go down to Add Facebook Event. Again, this is going to be for lead. Of course, you can use it for any event at all. Okay, you can use it for any event at all, but what we're using it for here is for lead. In this demonstration is for lead. So you click on, you select your trigger, then you click register here or sign up here, whatever it is you're going to be using. Register here or sign up here, whatever it is you're going to be using, or sign up now. Okay, but remember to put this hyphen. The hyphen represents the spaces between the words. Okay, so you save. So whenever somebody clicks on that particular button on that page, it is registered as a lead event on your dashboard. Remember, it will only capture if that particular page is being tracked by Facebook Pixel. So it will capture it and then register it for you as a lead event. So I hope that this short video will help you to capture your lead event more correctly, more accurately. If you are not using a thank you page, but instead you are using you are linking straight to your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp community. And then the reason why I decided to use Pixelcat as an option is because, as an alternative to Elementor Tracker, is because Elementor Tracker is no longer being supported by its developer. And if it is not being supported by its developer, you are open to you are at risk of the plugin being hijacked by bad actors. So this one, Pixelcat, is still being supported and is still being updated from time to time. Alright, so use a Pixelcat instead of Elementor Tracker. I don't even think Elementor Tracker is still being allowed into the WordPress plugin repository. And and again, Pixelcat can be used along with any landing page builder or page builder, whether you're using Elementor, you're using Thrive Architect, or you're using Divi or any other page builder at all. It works with all of them. So long as you can give your button an ID on that particular page builder, then Pixelcat can track it for you. Alright, so enjoy the video and happy implementation. Bye.